let's do a quick walk around of the Cybertruck. And check it out. I wrapped it in the matte black a few weeks ago. Gotta say, it looks way better. Yeah, there's only one thing that's missing that I kinda don't love, and that is this. All the lug nuts exposed, it just looks unfinished. So today I bought a product on Amazon, super cheap, that I think is gonna make it look a lot better. All right, let me go grab them. Okay, here they are, just some little wheel cap covers. Let's put them on, see how easy this is. It says to face this little dot towards the air stem valve. Not sure why, but oh well, we'll do that. So put it on there. Not quite, there we go. Oh, a little push, but man, does that look better. All right, let's do the rest of them. Okay, grab the other two for the other side. Oh, all right, that's all four. All right, let's take a look with those caps on, how much better it looks. Wow, yeah, that looks so much better. Yeah. Yeah, looks gorgeous.